Ooh, Ken, our first video from the new Crash by 2 studio.
Studio?
I love it.
Hi, and welcome to Crafts by 2. I'm Ken.
And I'm George. And we're in our new Crash by 2 studio. I love it here, Ken.
A nice space. You might have seen a preview already if you watch us on Facebook. We've done a few live videos.
Yep. And we have new backdrop and new lights and new cameras, new everything, so we can bring better videos and audio to you guys.
Yep, we have microphones so that way we're balanced a little bit better.
On today's episode, we have the summer surprise box from Spellbinders.
It's a bundle of dies and embossing stuff.
Ooh, with a value retail of over $180, Ken, but they can get it for only $45.
So it's a great deal.
So this is not a subscription. It's a one-time purchase that Spellbinders has quarterly on their website. The link will be in the description below on YouTube, or if you're on our website, it'll be in the blog post below. If you purchase it through that link, we get a small commission at no charge to you. And that makes them
awesome.
Awesome.
And there'll also be a link to the Spellbinders Rewards. If you sign up through our link, we get a little bit of extra points from that too. And with the rewards, you can earn a savings coupon for all of your purchases. So in the future, if you decide you want other bundles, you can save even more.
So Ken, you're telling me if I purchase through our account, I can buy even more?
No.
Oh. So we're going to open the surprise box. The anticipations have been killing me.
The surprise bundle.
It's in a box, so I'm opening the box. It's not a bundle. It's not like sticks.
Anticipation's killing me because it's taking forever.
Well, this is our original pen blade that we got. It's getting a little bit dull. I think it's time to replace it.
Okay.
But it's our first pen blade. It's kind of sentimental. Maybe we'll frame it. Ooh. So the first thing they have is packing paper and bubble wrap. Can I take it out?
Yeah.
So there's a whole bunch of stuff. Ooh. So the first thing we have is the Gilded Life. And this is for mixed medias. We've gotten some of these kind of like this before. Oh, are they the same?
Yep, 2 pendants.
Oh, cool.
Kind of a crown and floral pattern. I don't know how the light is with this.
And then we have more mixed media pieces from Susan Casmer. These are 4 blank brass tags or frames that you could use. You could probably not embroider, emboss on them or engrave them.
Mm-hmm. They came a little loose in the packaging, but that's still very cool.
All right, so truth be told, I might have been shaking the box a little bit to try to figure out what was in it. So that might be my fault.
So you get 2 frames and 2 solid tags. So you could kind of layer them for an effect.
That would be cool. I'll let you go next.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm so excited.
Oops, I grabbed 2.
Oh, see how you are?
Oh, that one's cool. These are Stylized Flowers. There's 5 dies, petals with stem,
Show them.
berries, and leaves. So you can't see them all there, though.
And to go with that, we have a vase.
I really like the vase. It looks cool. I can't wait to try to cut
My last order,
I can't wait to try to cut that.
I might have gotten a couple vases and a couple flowers to go in them because I really kind of like the look of them and I wanted to get them all.
So leaves, berries, Oh, flower, flower, berries, and 2 leaves.
Cool. Vase. And cut out a vase. Take 1.
And this is Renaissance Tags 2. So this looks cool. Some tags, so you get the interior and the exterior cuts.
Oh wow, those are new.
Oh, and I like the little flower, the floral corners.
Next up, we have a card creator, You Are My Sunshine. The die's name is My Sunshine, but it says, You Are My Sunshine.
And the example looks really cool.
It comes with a border and an inset die. Or insert die, not inset.
This is a designer series detailed cutting die kaleidoscope.
You could use that for backgrounds.
Yep, it totally, in the example, you can see it makes a really cool kind of hexagonal, yeah, well, kind of.
Almost gives it a 3D effect.
Yeah, it's very cool. I like it. A nice mesh.
Next up, we have Stack and Fan Flowers. Ooh, these are kind of cool. Ooh, there's lots of them in here. So you get petals 1 through 6, and then a small leaves and a large leaves die. So you could build your own. You could build your own flower. They all have a circle cut in the one corner, so you can spiral them out. You could put a brad through it or something, I suppose.
And there's 10 in there.
Yes, there's 10.
And then there's some stamps. The Happy Birthday cling stamp.
Oh, I like that.
Birthday balloons, that's what it is. I couldn't find it. So it's Happy Birthday and then the balloons with the strings. And there's the little sample on the back. It was over kind of there.
This is the Pear Feet Avocado.
Okay.
And it's, I guess, pears and or avocados. And the stamp says, we make a good pear.
And that's from their Market Fresh series, which had some cool stuff in that collection.
And then here's the sample on the back. So it could be a pear, it could be an avocado. Oh, I do this one. This is Embossing Folder. This is from the Designer series, and this is called Horsehair. Oh wow, look at the cool detail on this embossing folder.
So in their sample, did they like sand the paper?
I think they might have inked it up and then sanded it.
Looks very cool.
Yeah.
I like it. It looks very burlappy and very natural.
Yeah, it looks totally like fabric. Not paper. It looks totally like fabric. And you could do the last one.
Some Spellbinder shapeabilities. There's 9, and this is Blossom Tags and Accents. So these are really good for making kind of sentiments and card plates. So all of these nest in, and you can do some really cool stuff.
You can make flowers with that too.
Yeah, there's all the little different smaller flower shapes and some big ones.
Well, even how they have it layered on the back. That kind of looks like a flower in and of itself.
Mm-hmm. So you can use as little or as much of that as you like.
And then you could change the centers with the smaller dies if you wanted to.
Cool.
And then you could use this and fan it around into a circle to do a flower. There's lots of things you could do with these. So in the Summer Surprise Bundle, you get 7 sets of dies.
3 embellishments, 2 stamps,
and 1 embossing folder.
Isn't that a partridge in a pear tree?
It's an avocado, Ken.
Or a pear. We make a great pear.
Or avocado.
At least the stamp set does.
So remember to use our link below, and we get credit at no charge to you.
And sign up for Spellbinders Rewards before you buy.
That way you get rewarded too. So until next time, we'll talk to you later. Bye!
Bye!
You didn't like my one embossing folder?
It was nice. We know we don't have one embossing folder though.
We want to give a shout out to just some of our patron supporters. Lori Browse, Linda Collins, Gina, Mary Sarkis, Tabitha Carroll, Marjorie Poshia, and Arlene Birchold. Thank you for your support. Ready?
Crafts by two in space.
You know I'm using that for a blooper.